All right, let's do it. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello, hello, hello. We're going to do a quick, simple, to the point unboxing and unhousing. This is a brand new Elgato Cam Link 4K. Unopened. We're going to break the seal on it right now. This has been sitting on my shelf. I have three of the original Cam Link 1080p versions. And then I have 3 of this 4K version. I'm only using one of the 4K. I have 2 new ones. And I decided to make this video based on an odd experience that I recently had with trying to get one of my original Cam Link 1080p versions repaired. Not economical to do, going on the price of them used or new, and also that you would have to break the housing to get into it. So let's check that. What is that? Hypothesis? I don't know scientific terms. Anyhow, watch this. We're going to cut this right now. Cutting. Cutting. Cut. Let's get in here for a close-up. Close-up on this cut. We're gonna cut it. You get to see it cut. Watch. I'm gonna slice it. Slicing right through. Probably cutting a box. Cut my finger, cut my hand off. All right, there we go. We just opened this one up. Let's back this camera back out some. NBO. Never been opened. So this is the 4K version. Everything we're talking about here applies to the 1080p version, except for the resolution. This one will go to 4K. The older model will only do 1080. Anyhow, let's zoom right in on this. So we're going to take a look at this. We don't care about the box. We don't care about the features. We want to explore for a moment the fact that, whoa, I just broke my pick. Look at that. Dangerous. Yeah, we're not going to do it that way. We're actually going to use metal to get into this thing. So we're going to take a razor blade and set it right here in the corner. Now, be warned. This is stupid to take a new product and ding up the plastic. But for this, we just want to set it in here with the label facing forward. You get it in the crack and you're going to pry, rock whatever you're opening with that way. Once you get it started, you should be good to go. To keep prying toward the back. So let's work this pick forward, work this pick forward. That's one side done. Let's flip it over. Now that we have that one done, we have to start here in this corner, get a pick in there, and we're going to pry backwards. Once we get a little crack like that, then we're going to take and come in with our other pick and pry backwards toward us with this label here facing up. And what do you know? Yes, we marred the plastic a little bit, but we could scrape that and clean that up. But we just got into this device without breaking the housing. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Now, it is sealed down in here a little bit, but you can lift it up out of this housing here. No problem. Just pick up. Those will come off. That will come off the USB end, and then pick up the same way in the back. And you can pull off the trim plate for that end. So let's go ahead and put the trim plate back on for the HDMI end. We'll put the trim plate back on for the USB end. Now, something you want to look at when you put this back on, if these little pegs do not slide right back over the circuit board, like that, if they don't go right over the PCB, you possibly have it on the wrong way, but I think this will flip over. Okay, so it kind of hits the one way. We're going to flip it back and let it slide right on the other. At this point, you want to pay attention to this area right here. There is a little groove on each end where those end pieces, the little end pieces that fit on your Cam Link, where they go, they will sit down in those slots. We're going to set this back together. Make sure it sits down in. It's setting nicely. Okay, no, the USB end is like that. And we're back together right there. So that's the teardown on an Elgato Cam Link 1080p or the Elgato Cam Link 4K version. We just did an unboxing of a brand spanking new 4K version. The 1080p and 4K version both come apart the same way. So we're going to put this brand new device back in the box. Warranty officially voided. For anybody that didn't know, you don't have to break the housing to open them up. There's a complete teardown guide how to get the housing open with as little to no damage as possible. Anyhow, as always, thank you for clicking the link, coming over, hanging out. If you haven't subscribed already, now's a good time to do so. I do appreciate it. I want to build this channel up. I'm trying to give some stuff away. We have some game consoles and other stuff that we're giving away over here. Other than that, where do we want to take this? Oh yes, if you get into this stuff, tinkering, messing, doing, and you know somebody that needs it done, give them a hand. Make their device work if you can. Make it awesome again. You know, save it from going to the scrap heap, the landfill, all that e-waste out there. Let's preserve this island Earth that we all live on and share together for as long as we possibly can. As always, thank you for watching. Getting out of here. It's been a late after hours. Elgato Cam Link teardown complete for 1080 and 4K version. Thank you. Thank you.